two animals benefit.
That's right. Did we talk about anything else on Monday? Maybe the type of relationship it's under? What is that? Can you tell me that? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you this, and I want each of you to read it. Can everybody see it? Okay. And I want you to fill in this blank. I'm going to pass around what's called a think pad, and I want you to write your answer on that. So think real quietly and come up with your answer. Fill in the blank. Make sure you write your answer on this card.
Did y'all read the pencil that you have here?
Yeah, it was just a bit. You got an answer, put your hand in the air or are you ready? Remember what we've been talking about, okay? Try to think about that. All right, 30 more seconds. Okay, who wants to share their answer? Anybody? What did you get?
Metamorphosis.
No, not quite. Anybody else? Symbiosis? Good job. The answer is symbiosis. And what we talked about yesterday, mutualism, is under symbiosis. It's a relationship that's under symbiosis.
Oh,
So today, we're going to talk about commensalism. Does anybody know what the definition of commensalism is?
it's when they both benefit and they both benefit and that is
Well, kinda.
It's a relationship between two organisms and one benefits and the other one is harmed or
Perfect definition. Good job. All right. So to start off, I'm going to give you, each of you is going to get one of these worksheets. And these are hints to answer the sort. But I want you to do the sort in groups, okay? But each person is going to write their answer here to where they'll have a sheet to review one day, okay?
And if you need to turn it up.
These are your picture cards, okay? So you're going to sort it. There's 2 for each one, and there's 12 of them, okay? Now, as you do this, you can talk quietly, but don't get too loud, okay? I'm going to pass out. on construction paper that you can sort it on, okay? But don't glue it down until you're sure that it's the right answer. And we'll go over them at the end if you want to wait to glue them down then. To give you a hint, on 1 through 12, it's either classified under mutualism or commensalism. Did everybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Let's be quiet. Boys and girls. Are we ready to go over it? Alright. Number 1. Who can tell me the answer to number 1? Who's in the back? What did y'all get?
Barnacles.
Barnacles. And what was the second blank?
Whales.
Whales. Can you name that relationship? Yes.
Commensalism.
Commensalism. Good job. Does everybody have that? No, if you don't, change your answer to the correct one, okay? Alright, number 2. This group? Remora and Sharp. What was that relationship? Okay, so what relationship is it? Commensalism. Good job. Good job. Alright, number 3. What did we get for number 3? The stork and the bees. And what relationship is that? Can you tell us? No. What is it? Commensalism. Good job. Alright, number 4. Number 4, this group right here.
Snails and hermit crabs.
Snails and hermit crabs. Okay, hermit crabs is actually going to come first in the first blank, and snails are in the second blank.
That's it, I was trying to tell you.
What relationship is that? Can anyone tell me the relationship of the hermit crab and snail? That group? Commensalism. Good job. Alright, number 5. This group back?
Bison and insects.
Bison and insects. And what's that relationship? Commensalism. Alright. So what number are we on? 6. Number 6. This group?
Orchids and bromelain.
Good job. Did everyone hear him?
Yes.
Are you listening to change your answer? They're wrong? Alright, number 7.
A sparrow and
Oscar. Good job. And what relationship is that?
Can you move your seat up?
does this one go over this one?
Mentalism. Mentalism. Alright, number 8. Okay, the yucca flowers and the yucca moths. Good job. And what's the relationship? Can you tell me the relationship? It says both species benefit. Mutualism, because both of them benefit, right? All right, number 9. Let's call on this group since they're not raising their hands. What's number 9? That's correct. Can you say it a little bit louder where everyone can hear you?
Honey, guy, bird, and badger.
Badgers, okay. And what's our relationship?
Honey,
Is it commensalism or mutualism?
mutualism.
And why? Because both species benefit, correct. Alright, let's see, number 10. This group? That's correct. And what is that relationship?
Wait, no,
Mutualism. Good job. Good job. Alright, number 11. The oscillator and the rhino. And what's our relationship? They're both tilt. Okay, remember, mutualism is when they both benefit, okay? And the last one. That group?
the rocket fish and the black seagull.
Yes, good job. And what's that relationship? Mutualism, good job. Everyone fix their papers? Yes. Okay. Now we're going to watch a short clip. The internet. Yeah. We're going to watch this short clip, okay? So let's keep our eyes on the board and watch it. Okay. And I want you to think real hard to see if you can name this relationship in each of these scenarios, okay? So it's going to be one per group. All right, you're going to have 2 minutes, okay? So talk quietly amongst your group. Good. All right, so each of you is going to get a piece of paper, and I'm going to explain to you how to make it. If you already know how to make it, just wait till everybody's at that same step, okay? All right, is everybody watching? Eyes on me. All right, is everybody watching? Okay, first I want you to unfold your paper, okay? Where it's flat. All right. Next, I want you to fold it the opposite way that it's already been folded. So you're going to make another crease. So it's just going to be the opposite way, okay? Is everybody at that step? All right. Next, I want you to open it back up. Okay, now you have 2 lines, okay? I want you to take the corner. Everybody have their corner? and fold it to the middle where the two lines intersect, okay? And make a fold. So now it should look like this. Good job. Alright, next you're going to take another corner and do the same thing. Fold it to the middle where the two lines intersect. Okay, you're going to do it to every corner, just like that. So you understand that, you can keep going. Good job. Alright, keep folding every corner to the center. Alright, when you're done, you have all the corners folded. I want you to show me your prayer model. Hold up, I can see this. Alright. Boys and girls, this doesn't take any talking to do this. Alright, next I want you to take each of these corners and you're just going to fold it back just a little bit to where it's a little flat. And you're going to do that to each of the corners. So now you should have a space in the center. It should look like a square. Alright, when you're done with that, put your thumb in the ear where I know that you're ready. Alright. Can anyone tell me what we're going to write in the center? Who knows what we're going to write in the center? Commensalism. So in the center, I want you to write commensalism.
Y'all see it on the board?
You need to know how to spell it on the board, okay? You want it in the center to where you can see it if all the folds are like this. Alright, so now we're going to label each of these sides, okay? On one, I want you to write example.
You write it up here.
On the second one, I want you to write visual.
Write it up here.
On the third one, I want you to write description. And on the fourth one, I want you to write often confused with. Once you finish with that, I want you to write the answers inside of the fold. Okay? So for the description, you're going to write the definition. Who can tell me the definition?
Commensalism is a relationship between two animals. One benefits and the other one is not helped or harmed.
That's correct. So that is what you're going to write under the description. Do I need to write it on the board? Does everybody have it? You can write your own definition, but make sure it has some of the words in it. make sure you write the definition under description.
you know,